Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool cordless vacuum cleaner. This one I'm pretty excited about because it actually has a 50 kPa suction, which is a pretty high for one of these cordless vacs, and it is a 600 watt brushless motor, so it does have a nice brushless design on there. All the parts click in really nice extension on that, nice handle, and you do have, of course, a couple of different optional fittings for the ends. You can either put on the piece here if you're going to be doing some edge guard work, doing some flat floor brush work with that, or you've got this one here, which is the main head, which is what we're going to be using and testing out just here in a little bit. Everything clicks into place really well. Liking the fact this has rubberized wheels on the bottom, so if you're going to run it on some hard floor, that's really nice. It also has this nice baffle around here, which is great, and this one has the hair brush on here that is a V-shaped design to prevent getting tangles in here, which is a really nice feature to have as well. They do send you with extra filters, a mounting kit that you can mount on the wall, of course your charger, and you've got your detail tool to get in crevices, and you also have this large battery, which is here, which is really nice because this is an actual separate battery. It's not built into the thing. So in theory, later on down the road, you've had this a couple years and decide you want to get a different battery, that option will probably be available to you, which is really nice. So I'm going and turning this on up close here. I'll show you what it's got on here. You've actually got it on. You have the ability to step it up. I mean, that really is just pushing some wind here. Let's go ahead and get this thing going. I'm going to test a little bit on some stairs. I mean, this is not very heavy. And this is going to show you probably how gross my stairs are, which is unfortunate. But we're going to get this test out here. This actually is going along really well. And this is higher pile carpet. I do notice the nice LED lights on the front, which is great. And it's not bogging down. So that's really nice. Next, I've got some kids spilled some rice here on the floor. We're going to see the suction power of this thing, and then I'm going to show you how to empty this out and a couple other features that I really like. But we're going to turn this on here. I mean, that got it in about 2 passes, which is great. This also, when you turn the handle on this, it actually tilts the head, which that's a really nice feature too. You know, you don't see a lot of that. And this also gets up really close to the wall. So let me take this upstairs. I'm going to show you a couple things about this. I'll show you this right here. You've actually got the ability to stand this up, which is another neat feature I like because you don't have to mount it on the wall. If you're going to stop, pick up some pillows, pick up some stuff your kids left, it doesn't just flop over. That's really cool. Loving also the fact that if you're going underneath something, this thing can lay down all the way on the ground. I mean, this is laid down 180 degrees, which means if you got a bed or if you got something you're going underneath, easily can get underneath there, which is absolutely fantastic. Loving that. Now I've got this part here, and we're going to go over here. You got one button to dump. So now I've got over by the trash, and you've got the button on the side here. You just push. Drops it right in, so you don't have to get down there and touch any of the nasty, which is great. I mean, this is a really nice unit. It charged really fast and it's going to have a long 65-minute runtime. Did have the LED on there. We'll turn it on one more time. We've been running it on the stairs. Still shows 100%. So, I mean, I have no doubt it's going to last for quite a while. If it does run down, it's real easy to charge it up right here. Really a fantastic, and in fact, on low mode, for if you're a parent like us, really quiet. So that's really nice too. So this will make a nice addition to anybody's home.